In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo using ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. This quick and easy guide will show you how to utilize this powerful tool to generate creative ideas for your brand's visual identity. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head on over to Google. This is your starting point where we'll begin our journey to create a logo using AI. Once you've got Google open, type ChatGPT into the search bar. Hit enter, and this will bring up a list of results related to ChatGPT, a conversational AI developed by OpenAI that we'll be using to help spark creative ideas. Now, from the search results, look for the official ChatGPT website. You might see various links, but you want to click on the one that directs you to the original ChatGPT platform. Once you're on the ChatGPT page, you're ready to harness the power of AI to brainstorm unique logo ideas. Next, it's time to engage with ChatGPT. In the chat input field, you're going to type a prompt. Think of this as the creative seed you're planting. You might type something like, generate a creative logo idea for a technology startup with a focus on innovation and simplicity. Be as specific as possible to get the most relevant suggestions. The more information you provide, the better the AI can tailor its responses to suit your needs. Once you've crafted your prompt, it's time to move on to the next step, submitting it. Look for the Submit button, which is usually located next to or beneath the chat input field. Clicking this will send your prompt to ChatGPT, and within moments, the AI will generate some creative logo ideas for you. It's a great way to brainstorm if you're feeling stuck or need a fresh perspective. The responses you receive can serve as a springboard for your design process. Review the suggestions provided by ChatGPT. Perhaps one of them stands out as perfect, or maybe you see potential in several ideas that you could combine. While this AI cannot create actual graphics, its purpose here is to inspire and guide you toward an ideal logo concept. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've used ChatGPT to generate creative logo ideas in 5 minutes. This method is perfect for anyone looking to kickstart their design process with a little help from AI. Keep in mind, the results you get from ChatGPT are suggestions and should be refined further to align with your brand's identity. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now inspired to take your brand's visual identity to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and creative insights. Until next time, happy designing!